Hi 8th grade, welcome to my video on Punnett squares. Punnett squares are really quite simple and nothing to panic about. There are 3 Punnett square examples on the worksheet that you were given, so feel free to rewatch, rewind, stop this video as many times as you need to make sure you have a full understanding of what to do. The first step to a Punnett square is drawing the Punnett square itself. On your worksheet I did the Punnett squares for you, but for future examples you should really know how to do it. Okay, first you're going to draw a square, and then you're going to draw some lines dividing the square into 4 separate parts. So your completed Punnett square looks like that. Now, for this particular example, we are going to cross 2 different types of birds. One of the birds is homozygous dominant for purple feathers. And we're going to show that dominant trait by using an uppercase letter F. And since the bird is homozygous recessive, we have to use 2 uppercase F's. So this bird is purple. The bird we're going to cross the purple bird with is pink. And pink feathers are a recessive trait in this type of birds. And recessive traits are usually shown by a lowercase letter. So we're going to use 2 lowercase letter F's. 2 lowercase F's, and that's a pink bird. Okay. Now we're ready to actually cross the 2 birds in the Punnett square. So when you're setting up your Punnett square, you're going to place one of the organisms on the top of the Punnett square. So we're going to put the purple bird on the top of the Punnett square with the uppercase F and the uppercase F. And then we're going to put the other bird on the side of the Punnett square, right here, lowercase f and lowercase f. Now, in order to complete the Punnett square, we simply join the 2 letters together. So uppercase F and lowercase f, we put them together, and we have one of our possible outcomes, uppercase F and lowercase f. And we're going to do the same thing for the other 3 boxes, okay? So uppercase F and lowercase f again in this box, uppercase F and lowercase f in this box, uppercase F and lowercase f in this box. Okay, so our Punnett square is now complete, and we have 4 possible outcomes for the birds. Notice that all the possible outcomes are exactly the same. All the genotypes are the same, thus making all the phenotypes the same as well. Notice, since each one of the different outcomes have an uppercase F, that's the dominant trait, and dominant traits are often visible over the recessive traits. So all of the birds in this example are going to be purple, so 100%. None of the birds are going to be pink. Even though they all carry the recessive trait, like I said, dominant is always visible over recessive. The only way a bird could be pink is if it has 2 of the recessive traits. And in this case, none of the birds are like that. Also notice that each one of the outcomes is heterozygous, meaning it has 1 uppercase F and 1 lowercase f. So, that is how you do a Punnett square. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me on my email or on Edmodo. Thank you.